Horses out, we have Perfectionist, pass to begin, moving up on the outside now. He's entering number 4, Alexis Touch, in between horses, Canadian Girl, then followed by number 7, Sweet Victory. Next in line, Windy Wind, Heran, Golden Arasi, second last, and Expedition is the early trailer. We have Perfectionist, and on the outside is Canadian Girl. Windy Wind is racing in third, Sweet Victory in fourth, Alexis Touch, she's racing in fifth, Heran in sixth, Golden Arasi, and a long way back to Expedition. And that's still entry number 1, Perfectionist by Ralenka, and on the outside is Canadian Girl. Windy Wind remains in third, then followed over by Sweet Victory, Golden Arasi, Alexis Touch, Heran, and Expedition. And it's still Perfectionist, and on the outside is Canadian Girl, Windy Wind in third, and here comes Sweet Victory in fourth, Golden Arasi, Heran now in paper. And it's still Perfectionist, and on the outside Canadian Girl, Heran now moving up by the third, but it's still Perfectionist by the length. Heran is running by the rail, and on the outside Canadian Girl, but it's still Perfectionist. Heran is down on the inside. Perfectionist, Heran is running by the rail. It's now Heran, and finally Heran. Perfectionist, then comes Canadian Girl, Windy Wind, Sweet Victory.
Hindi maganda kasi yung alis ng tres. Pero yung 8, medyo na napaawat din si Dunoy dito sa ano, no?